In this video we will do the factorization of the equation, which is the quadratic equation. In this case, previously we have done the factorization of the quadratic expression when there is a sign of equal to is given and they have shown that this is equal to 0, then this is the quadratic equation, and the procedure is the same as we have done previously. Make the possible factors of 6 and then choose those factors whose subtraction will give you +1. I have done all these things. Factorize it. After factorization, remember that both of these factors, they are equal to 0. It means then you can write here, this implies that the sign of this implies that, right? This sign meaning this implies that a plus 3 is also equal to 0 and a minus 2 is also equal to 0. So I equate them equal 0 simultaneously, and then we will get the value of a is equal to -3 here, because this 3 will go to the right hand side and change its sign, and this 2 will go the other right hand side by changing its sign. It will become a is equal to 2, right? This is the first question, and then the second question is also like that. Make the possible factors of 8, which are 4 multiplied by 2. I will choose those factors whose subtraction will give me 2a. So these are 2, 4 and 2. After making factors, equate them 0, and then you will get the values of a, which are 2 values because we have 2 factors. In next value again we will do the possible factors of 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. I will make all the possible factors. This minus sign indicate that I will choose those factors whose subtraction will give me 6. So I will choose 12 and 6, factorize them. After factorization, equate them to 0 like that. Then this 3 will go this side, it will change sign -3. You have to find the value of a. So whatever thing is multiplying by 2 by a, that thing will divide here. So a will become -3 by 2. Same is procedure here. 3 will go to right hand side. This 4 is multiplying with a. I need the value of a, so I will divide this 4 by 3 on the other side, right? This is the simplification method we have done previously, or to simplify the terms. Next is the case 2sk minus 5a minus 3. So again it's very simple. Make possible factors of 3 and 2 6, and choose on those factors whose subtraction will give me -5a. So I will choose 6 and 1, right? And greater sign, minus sign will be with greater value, so I will get -5, right? So I split it in -6 and +1. After splitting, make the factors, take the common things, and then equate 1 by 1 to 0, as I have done. Here I have got the value of a is equal to 3, and here you will get the value 2 is equal to -1. 1 will change its sign on right hand side. You need to find the value of a, so these 2 will divide here, so we will get 2 values of a, right? Next is the case again, it's similar to previously. 8 multiplied by 3 will give you 24. I have choose the factors of 24 by starting from 1, then 2. 2 times 12 will give 24, and this sign of 8, it represent me that I will choose those factors whose addition will give me 14a. So 12 and 2, when you will add them, it will give you 14. After that, taking common from these two pair and this pair, then you will get this one. Now equate both of them equal to 0 simultaneously like that. You will get the value of a is equal to -4, and you will get the value of a. This 2 will go other side by changing its sign. Why I am saying by changing its sign? In case what the procedure is going on, I will show you. 3a plus 2 is equal to 0. To balance the equation, you have to maintain its equality. So what I will do, if I am subtracting 2 here, then I will subtract this 2 on both sides to maintain the equality. Here minus 2 plus 2 will cancel each other and the value will be 3 is equal to minus 2. The main procedure, the main method, what's going on here is this, right? But the teacher or the whatever tutor, they should tell you we will take 2 on other side and it will change its sign. Yes, you can say this, when you will take this value to other side, it will change its sign. But what's going on, this thing is going on, that we will if 2 is adding here, we will subtract 2 on both sides. Here 2 and minus 2 will cancel each other, and here 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2. So this procedure is going on when we are saying we will take this value to the side and it will change its sign. You should know about it, right? Similar is the case when here is 3a is equal to minus 2 and I need the value of a. So whatever thing is multiplying by 3, I will divide it by 3 on both sides. Here they will cancel each other and the answer will be minus 2 by 3. So in fact this process is going on, but we will say that this 3 will go the other side and will divide on the other side. But the main process is going this thing. You have to keep in mind what thing is going on in actual, right? What is the law, what is the thing we are mathematically used here. So in this way you can understand how we are simplifying it. Next, the question, solve these equations, but first you have to rearrange them. In this case you will see x square plus 5x is equal to 6. They will give you only this thing. If you are watching this thing, don't be confused what I will do. At once the quadratic equation should be in your mind and you will arrange it and take this 6 on this side by changing its sign. So you will get the quadratic equation. Then make the possible factors as we have done previously and then equate the factors equal to 0 and you will get the values of this x. You will get two values because you have two factors. So this is the procedure. How can we factorize the quadratic equations? Before, if they are saying you have to rearrange them, maybe they will not say you will first rearrange them. They will only say you solve the equation, right? So you will rearrange it. First of all, this first step will give, they will give you for 1 marks. This body marks will be 2 and the marks of your two values of x or a, whatever, it will be 1, and this whole question will be of 4 marks, right? So 1 mark will be for the rearranging. Before rearranging, if you will not rearrange you will not get how can to solve it, right? So first step is to rearrange it, and then second step is making the possible factors. Make the factors equating to them 0. It will take 1 marks, and the value of x and sign, whatever the sign is proper, you will get the full marks, right?